Bank holiday Monday. It's not early, but people are sleeping. Going to be doing my own garden today. Border in the front. Get that dug over. The bin still. This is what I've been doing. There's a hedge. There's a great big drop down here, like 3.5 meters, and I got this hedge that goes all the way along. Well, they were trees, and I've sort of shaped them up a little bit. But have a look at this side. So I want to show you. It goes all the way down there. There's a bit of a gap here, and it's good for security. Tomatoes finally ripened. Let's pick those. Look at that one. Oh my God. So this laurel hedge here, and there's a bit of a mixed bag in it. I planted it when we moved in, just to keep people from climbing up on the wall, and I've been trimming it regular, and I've been getting there, so I'm going to be doing that today. Gate shut. Well, the dog's going around the back here. Believe it or not, I've done a lot of work on there. Sort of getting ready. She's not happy. She's probably up there listening, so I've got to be careful. Look at my garden to do. What do I do with that? Well, we've made a decision about this box edge now. This isn't box blight, this is that moth that lays those caterpillars, and we sprayed it twice, but it didn't work. And you can just see, look, there's a caterpillar there. There he is, look. That's what's done it. And I should have gave it another spray. Look what it's doing to that leaf there. Have a look. What a nightmare. So, let's just zoom out there. There you are, there's the hedge. It's had there. And look at that. Decimated it. That's got to go. I haven't touched the ligustrum, the balls, which is fine. There's another bucks. They're so tender to and susceptible to sort of disease, these box on there. And the sad thing about it, it's had the ones up and down the drive, which is so annoying. I'm gonna have to take these out, I think. I don't think I can save that one. Look at this one. There they are. Stay there. So this border, the trouble is it gets a bit of bindweed in it, and you've got to come out, and things are going over now. That gore's doing well. We've got the Japanese anemone that is coming up. These salvias, I think these are called the Amistad, and they're absolutely beautiful. Look at these. Look at the bees. There's some bindweed, convolvulus, so we've got to get that out. Hey! Hello! Hello! Good girl. Good girl. Good. Getting in. Weeds are good sometimes because they get down and they'll break the ground up for you, but this isn't bad ground. It's a bit stony here, because the reason it's a bit stony is because I put some pebbles here, because sometimes I'm not very good at reversing them with the trailer, and I should be after all these years, and it just it looks a bit more decorative and not sort of crushing the plants, I suppose. I'll take some of these pebbles out, I think. Let's get some plants in here, and I won't drive over it. Yeah, this is that white flower is that convolvulus. That's the bindweed. But the thing is, I've got to try and get that off without damaging this plant. Now it goes all the way down, and no matter how much I work on it in this border, it always seems to come back. You can just see it all over this lavender here. That lavender's not looking good anyway, so I think I'm going to take that out. That's past its sell-by date. It's gone all leggy. They always go leggy unless you cut them back. Well, I think that's looking better, getting rid of those weeds. Just got to get that bindweed out. It's absolutely everywhere. I've got to cut back those foxgloves as well. And I forgot what this one is called here. Look at this one. Beautiful. When we moved into this property, this piece out here was just a piece of grass. It was full of everything. I mean, bricks, rubbles, boards, brick bands, the typical things that you find on a new development. And the soil here was just compacted, sifted soil that had no nutritional value. But now when you look at this now, look at that, it's nice and rich, it's easy to dig. The water permeates in the ground, good aeration, and it's the aeration that allows the plants to breathe and to grow. So you can see on this Gora, there's the bindweed that I broke at the bottom because I didn't want to damage the flower, and it's like whether I leave that on or not, I don't know, or just unwind it carefully. We'll see. These salvias just smell like black currants, but the bindweed absolutely ruins them, so I've got to unwind that now. You can see how the bindweed wraps itself all the way around, and though you take it at the bottom, it's still, look at this, it just gets absolutely everywhere. And if you look at the back, it's all over the salvia, so I've been unwinding it. There's a piece there. It's a shame. Bella, shush. Oi! Stop it. Well, that's looking a little bit better. Still pick up all the weeds there. Just not enough room in the bin to take all the weeds. There we go. So there you are. We've, well, I have. There's no one else with me. Got all the weeds out. Not all of them. They're going to come back, but it's a little bit cleaner. But we've got to do a bit of pruning. But I'm going to leave that to the boss. It's looking better anyway. A bit more respectable. Like me.